beautifuls, it's Divana Nicole, and today I'm back with another subscription unboxing. Today we have the Beem box. If you don't know what this box is, it is a bi-monthly subscription beauty box that was curated for black women by black women. And this box has about 5 to 6 products in it, and the box costs $39.99 bi-monthly. And if you're not familiar with this box, well, you will get an opportunity today to see what's inside. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I'm glad to have you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. But for right now, we're getting ready to unbox this box. So when you open the box, looks like so. And when it opens up, looks like this inside. So they do give you a little card that tells you what's in your box, and on the back we have what is detailed in our box and the value. Or no, we don't have a value. We don't have a value, guys. We just have what's in our box. So your Beem box has arrived, and it says I'm ready for my close-up. Isn't the theme of the box? So let's see what's in here. All right, first product I pull out is Garnet January. And who is this made by? So this is the product right here. This is BH Cosmetics that makes this. This is called their Birthstone palette. And it says each smooth, matte, and dramatic shimmers offer extra long lasting wear, high impact pigments that pay off so you can rock an effortless look. So let's see what we have. They do have a mirror, but for the purposes of just showing it to you, I don't want you to see the glare off the camera. I'm going to pull this protective layer off here too. So these are the colors that is in this palette. Pretty nice colors actually. So we have the garnet. There's like this eggshell kind of color here. We have the sparklies. I think that's great for the fall, especially with the holidays coming up. Give you a little extra bling. And you just have some of your basic colors here to create, I think, a really nice look. I'm not familiar with this company, but let's do a few swatches of this palette to see what it looks like. And let's see, I'll do a few swatches. I'll go with this one here. And this is like a glittery one. You'll have to put something on under this, this is how this one color is called Street Smart. See how the sparkly one, the black sparkly one comes out. So you'll need some kind of base with this one. I'm gonna do Work It next to it, and Productive AF, which seems to be this eggshellish color here. Oh, but it comes out really nice. And I got one more finger, so we'll do this garnet color. And let me flip this upside down to show you guys. So this is how the colors came out on me. Not too shabby. Not sure about that black sparkly one, the glittery one. I think I have to fool around with that a bit more, but definitely some kind of base is going to be needed to have that one really come out. But I don't think the colors are too bad. They seem pretty good on my skin tone. Very nice. Easy to work with. The only one I didn't like was this glitter one. It seems a bit difficult. It's a lot on my finger, but like even when I went to put it on, see how it's not really moving well, I would say. So I'll be glad to try out the palette. So we'll definitely enjoy that one. Okay guys, the next product that's in my box I'm going to pull out. It's called Pure Aura, and it's Perk Facial Oil. And I'm not familiar with this brand either, but it says Caramel Perk. This is a special blend of quick absorbing oils that lock in moisture and leaves the skin rejuvenated, never oily. It's plant-based and non-comedogenic, which means that they will never clog your pores. So basically, you know, you put this on after your moisturizer or before any makeup. Let's see what it looks like outside of this box here. And we do know I love skincare on this channel. because I don't believe you can have one without the other. You have to have good skin to have a good base for your makeup. So this is what it looks like. Has a little dropper. I can't wait to try it out. Let's give it a little trial to see like what it feels like on my skin. So just go do a little quick drop and rub it in. It said it's not oily, so we'll see. It doesn't really feel oily. It does have a good base to it though, but it really blended in well. And as you can see from the light, there's no oiliness really on my hand. So I would say that is a true statement. It's not oily. So I can't wait to try that out because, you know, I have uber oily skin. Can't wait to try that one. And again, that was by the company Pure Aura. And the next product that I have, guys, is Lip Whip. I am not familiar with this brand either. And this is Cari Grand. Lip Whip Colors Balms are perfect for mixing between lip balms and a lipstick. They will give your lips a level of cover you want without sacrificing moisture. Boost your lips needs all day. And they said their buildable range of intensity just smooths on with a clean finger or brush. So let's pop this out. Is there a color on here? Sheer to Opaque Ruby is what's on the side of the box. So let's pop her out. Here we go. So this is how it looks outside of the box, the back. And oh, it's very red. It looks just like a lipstick. I'm gonna do a quick swatch just so I can show you guys. And I'm gonna do it right here. Oh, this is very nice though. It's a beautiful red. Look at this. And I already got makeup everywhere on my jar. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I think this is a very beautiful color. Definitely can get lots of wear out of this. And then because it's in a little jar, I'll probably just go ahead and just use like a makeup brush to put this on, so it won't be as messy. But that's pretty good coverage, and I didn't grab that much on my finger, and got a really beautiful red. So that's awesome. So let's go to our next product. The next product we have is a Color Switch Mini. I actually have one of these. They come in handy though. I'm sure everybody's pretty familiar with these by now. So basically these color switches, when you have your eyeshadow brush and you have eyeshadow on, instead of just grabbing another brush, you can kind of just rub it in here and it gets all the excess makeup off, and then you can use it for another application. So that's neat. You always can use these. And this is made by what company? Vera Mona Mini Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. So, and our last product in the box is Makeup Radiant Lasting Mist. And on the side it says Makeup with an Attitude. It's a lightweight, illuminating, retaining moisture. And it's supposed to make your makeup last. So this is made by Rude. So, oh, it's right on the front, but I was showing you guys and I didn't see the name. So the company is Rude that makes this radiant lasting makeup. Get the glowing look without looking oily with this makeup mist. This illuminating formula hydrates, refreshes, and balances overall makeup. Spray on and have your makeup last all day. Because they said spray on, you know I have to spray, right? So this is what she looks like outside of the box, as you guys can see. And it's a full-size product. And let's see how she does. Good, mister. At least it's not spitting everywhere to you. So this is great. I like getting boxes like this with these kind of brands that you've never heard of. You get to try out so many great brands that you've never would get a chance to try if you're only looking for the brands that you're familiar with. So I like when you have these kind of boxes that give you indie brands and give you something different. So our box here, I think it was everything makeup in this box. Yeah. Oh, except for one thing. Okay, so we have the misting spray in review. We have the brush cleaner, makeup brush cleaner. We have the facial oil, which is our skincare item. And we have the lip whip. So, oh, and I almost forgot we have the palette. Where did I put the palette? Almost forgot about the palette. So this box was basically makeup, and one makeup tool, and one skincare. So I say this is a good box. I like to try out different brands, and I would encourage anybody else that loves makeup to do the same. So guys, let me know what you thought about this box. This is my second box. So I'm still getting familiar with the Beem box myself, but this is my second box. I'm pretty pleased. I wish they would have like the prices on here so you kind of know what stuff costs. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today of the Beem box. Please leave me your comments down below and let me know what you thought about the box and the products inside. Thank you for watching. It would mean the world to me if you liked and subscribed my channel. You can stay up to date with my latest postings. I do post weekly, and I have so many other subscriptions that I'm unboxing on a regular basis. So please hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned. Until next time, beautiful.